from Thor. And it come with a holster. So we got that for a nigga's ass. This that motherfucker. You see what that motherfucker right there is? Mace gun. This for them TSF niggas talking about, say, what you better keep Nipsey Hussle name out your mouth. I better do what? Bitch ass nigga, shaka. And them bitch ass, oh, what he shooting for? I thought y'all wanted some trouble. Look, look, pepper gone. Mace, pepper gone. I thought y'all wanted some trouble. What you mean what he shooting for? You scared me, nigga. Wasn't you trying to scare me? Sucker. I got all kind of shit for you bitch ass nigga. This my boy to her. I'll just throw this at one of you bitch ass nigga, and I bet the nigga duck. Yeah, bitch ass, they go duck. A nigga grab this bitch and just throw it, cause this bitch go hurt. Bitch ass nigga, what? Shut y'all hoe ass. I bet them hoe ass nigga duck. They ain't that goddamn tough. They go duck like a motherfucker. Watch this how heavy it is. That motherfucker heavy in the motherfucker. Them nigga go duck like a motherfucker. I got the police cup to go with the bag. Another rock. This motherfucker here got ridges. See, it's a difference. This to break a window for real. This for a nigga riding off, thinking he done something, and I can't get to him. And I'm just throw this at the car to break the window. Dang, bitch ass nigga, I bet you won't come back. One of them. This to hit a nigga with. Yeah, this to hit a nigga with them ridges right there. This to hit the nigga in the head with right here. These niggas playing, y'all. I'm strategically operating in my mind how I'm gonna defend myself and hurt a nigga. Look at this shit here. You see that rock? I keep this in this bag right here. This rock and this rock. This rock for the vehicle. This rock for the nigga's head. I'm not bullshit. I got another baton. So I got 2 batons just in case it's a group of niggas. In case it's a group of niggas. Nigga, what's up, nigga? Any one of you niggas. Any one of you niggas, bitch ass nigga. Any one of you niggas. Say that's if it's a group of them niggas. Any one of you niggas, bitch ass. I know how to use them too, boy. I get these from a police buddy. So I got all kind of, and boy, don't let me hit you with that motherfucker here. There go that guard dog again. Y'all, you saw what that guard dog did. This a big can of guard dog here. This motherfucker here, take that piece there off, it's on. Boy, it's on. You talking about a nigga ass running, I can shoot this from the hip. Shot. I can shoot that bitch there from the hip, nigga. And that bitch shoot far. You talking about a nigga's ass running. Them niggas don't want no problem with me. I promise. I got more shit in the bag, y'all. I'm not bullshitting. I got these motherfucking brass knuckles. Think if I would have hit that nigga in the jaw. Ha! He don't know what's coming for him. See, these niggas playing. Got these motherfucking brass knuckles. This my baby here, though. This my motherfucking baby. That motherfucking lock in a sock. This is a real lock, y'all. You see it? You see the little thing? It's a real motherfucking lock. I got a lock in a sock. I'm gonna get a nigga's ass. Bitch, oh, this my baby here. Ooh, this my baby here, nigga. Just hit a nigga across his motherfucking head with that lock in the sock. And I got it in a church sock. I got it in a Tommy Hilfiger church sock. Them Tommy Hilfigers. I got him doubled up. I'm gonna hit a nigga motherfucking ass. Yeah! I ain't tell you, I ain't. This my other baby. Motherfucking me railroad screw. That's that motherfucking railroad screw. This just to throw at a nigga's ass. Niggas just to put some space in between me and a nigga. Just in case I gotta run. This is only for me if I gotta retreat. It's a retreat weapon here, boy. This is a retreat weapon. This if I ain't got this, it's a retreat weapon. Nigga, I'm trying to get away. Nigga, yeah. And when he do that, you break and run. Yeah, this is a retreat weapon right here. This the other screw. This to hurt a nigga just talking shit. One of them bitch ass niggas just talking. He won't see this coming when you throw it at him. Yeah, these These niggas don't be ready. Hold up, I gotta be real careful because there's some more weapons in here. I don't want to cut myself. Yeah, there's some more weapons in here. I don't want to cut myself. There we go. And then I keep this bag here. I keep this bad motherfucker here in this bag. I keep this one in the bag. So I keep this motherfucker in the bag. But these motherfuckers here full of bullets. So I keep this in the bag just in case a nigga really wants some trouble. He think he really want to do something with a nigga. Then I keep this one in the bag just in case I got the hand shoot a nigga. Just in case I got the hand shoot a nigga. So I keep this motherfucker here. I told him I got guns every goddamn where. Yeah, nigga, I'm not bullshit. Y'all niggas playing. Yeah. I'm y'all playing. And then, nigga, if a nigga make me mad, I keep another gun right here behind this motherfucker. This is a nigga in the backyard. Yeah, this is a nigga in the backyard right there. That's a nigga in the backyard. And then, if I run out of bullets right here, nigga, I keep a whole thing of bullets on side the calf right here. Nigga, I keep a whole thing of bullets on side the calf right here. Just in case. I got bullets here. See, nigga, I keep a whole thing of bullets on side the calf right there. I got a bullet here. Nigga got all these goddamn bullets. Bullets, a box of bullets. Nigga got these hollow point bullets right here. Nigga, I'm telling you. I got them bullets. I got them bullets. I got them. Nigga, I got bullets, shotgun. Yeah, no, nigga, I'm in my mind. I keep an ammo box stationed all around the house. You don't know when China coming. In my mind, China coming. North Korea coming. Gangbangers coming. And nigga, we all go die. In my mind. Say, I even got the 50 cal bullet, nigga. Position right here. Just in case I gotta pull the 50 cal out and shoot out the back window. I got the 50 cal bullet right here. Nigga sitting right there. I'm not bullshitting. On top of more bullets. By the thing. Nigga, in my mind, we all go die. I'm not dying by myself. I'm taking a bunch of motherfuckers with me in my mind. So when you come bother me, nigga, just know, you got to be ready to die, nigga. All that, I'm finna punch him in his good eye. I'm gonna do this. You got a whole lot of shit to get past. You got a whole lot of shit to get through. I'm talking about mace, knives, bullets, all kind of supersized bullets, all kind of USA ready. Man, look at these. I got the cop killing bullets, nigga. I got the cop killers, nigga. I got the motherfucking cop killers, nigga. Fucking look at that, nigga. I got the cop killers. Bother me if you want to, nigga. I'm with all the shit. Nigga, I'm with all that motherfucking shit. Nigga, I'm with all, and I got the badge. So yeah, no, niggas, no. We ready. We got the F and N bullets. Look how much, you know, ain't cheap, nigga. I got the motherfucking F and N bullets. I got that F and N too. I got that motherfucking F and N, nigga. I'm loaded over here, baby. I'm talking about I'm loaded over here, boy. I'm talking about boxes on top of boxes on top of boxes. Oh, man, I'm loaded because I'm ready for war. Nigga, the police got to be careful coming over here. Hell is you talking about, nigga? And I keep everything stashed out in the open because we don't never know when the war go pop off. Joe Biden fucking with them Russians. Yeah, nigga. North Korea won't end on the war. So, yeah. North Korea won't end on the war. Yeah, when people come over, nigga, they don't know. They sitting with a bunch of guns behind their motherfucking back. Them people don't have a clue. And then, nigga, if all that fails, I run behind the TV. this fail, nigga, I run behind the TV and grab the home defense mechanism. Yeah, if all this fail, nigga, I run behind the TV, nigga, and shoot that shotgun. Nigga. If all this fail, nigga, I run behind the motherfucker, grab behind the TV. I got one behind the TV too, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Nigga? Yeah, nigga, that's how we do in Texas. I got one behind the TV. I got one at the door. Nigga. What is you talking about? Nigga? You niggas playing. I'm scaring the motherfucker for real, nigga. I'm enjoying it. I got shit all behind the TV, nigga. Shit. Ooh, we just don't know how to fight, nigga. Yeah, we just don't know how to fight. We know how to shoot, too, buddy. Got one at the door. No, I got that motherfucking me World War II motherfucker at the door. That's my favorite. That's my baby there. I got that World War II motherfucker at the door. That old paper right there. That's that World War II motherfucker at the door. Yeah. Yeah. And clips. I keep all the motherfucking clips right here. So then, listen. So that's at the door. Watch this here. Watch what I pull out right here. Nigga, watch what I pull out right here. That's at the door. Pull this motherfucker out. Get ready for it. I'm talking about this gun every goddamn where, all over the house. It's a trap, nigga. Hurry up. Load up. I got that motherfucking SIG right there. Nigga, I'm talking about I got that badass SIG right there. You see it? I got this shit positioned everywhere, nigga. It's got that motherfucking SIG. With them hollow points, I got the SIG at the door. If you think I'm playing, nigga, I bet you won't come by the house. Y'all put the address online. I bet won't nobody come by the house. So I got all these beauties right here. I got the SIG at the door, nigga. You see what that say right there? That's that SIG. That's that motherfucking SIG, and she's a beauty, boy. Ooh, she's a beauty. With that motherfucking scope on her right there. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's pretty. So, nigga, every part of my house, I got a weapon stash. Because I don't know when I ever got the boom, 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 boom. I got cameras all around the house. When you come into the community, it's cameras everywhere. Everything is recorded. Because we want to get your death on camera. We want to record your death on camera, baby. Ooh, we want to record your death on camera. Because you're going to die. Now, I would bring you over here and show you what's behind here. But I'm not going to do that. Well, I think I will. So if we reach over here, boys and girls, we go Draco a nigga's ass. So we go come over here. We go reach behind here. That's if we need to shoot out the side of the house. I catch a nigga on the side of the house. I'm going to pop him with the Draco right here. So I got guns positioned all around the motherfucking house so I can catch a nigga ass. Is that a nigga snooping? Boom. Got him. Now call him up, call the police. I got guns positioned all around the motherfucking house, baby. Because I got a lot of them. Hold up. I would show you what's right here, but I ain't going to do that. I ain't going to show you what's sitting right there behind the curtain right there. I got something right there behind that curtain right there. Oh, man. I wish a motherfucker would. I wish a motherfucker would catch me coming out the house. Because, boy, when I come out running, you better run, nigga. Oh, you better run, Sally Mae. Because I'm going to get your motherfucking ass. Because, boy, I got some shit in here. I got some shit to make the government nervous. I'm not bullshitting, nigga. I got some shit in here to make the government nervous, my nigga. So don't scare me. You see what happened when a nigga scared me? I got him. laid all around the motherfucking house. And you think they some motherfucking props, nigga. Say, you think they some motherfucking props, nigga. And I got some more shit too. But I got to go. I gotta see, I hate pulling all this motherfucking shit out, cause I always gotta put this shit back up. It be fun putting it out. I'm not bullshit. Oh, it be fun putting it out. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put them all in one bag. I'm gonna put them all in one bag. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's a 93-inch screen television right here. Look how big it is. This is a 93-inch screen television, and I'm standing up. Yeah, put them all in the bag. Put them all in the bag. Put Draco in there too. Put Draco in there? Yeah, put Draco in the bag too. Put Big Draco in there. Put Big Draco in there. Put him in the bag. We gonna take him with us. No, we gonna leave him at the house. We gonna leave him at the house. Let me see. Put him over here. Put him over here. So we gonna stash him all around the house. Let me see. We gonna ride with this one. We gonna take this baby with us. She fully loaded. So yeah, we gonna take her with us. We're gonna take her with us. Put these babies up. Put everything, put the rocks up. Get the goddamn rocks. Get the goddamn rocks, nigga. Get the goddamn rock. Get the rock. Get all the mace. You gotta get the goddamn mace. You gotta get the mace, nigga. Get all the mace. All the goddamn mace. You done took all this shit out. Now you got to put all this shit up. Yeah, you done took all this shit out. Now you got to put all this shit up. Yeah. Nah, you niggas ain't ready. You niggas just been playing Call of Duty. I've been living this shit in my mind. Ready for war. Ready for war. Okay. So we want to put this taser. We're going to put this taser back in the box. So we don't need to bring the taser out here. Put this taser back in the box. Put this taser back in the box, because we don't need to bring it out yet.